Welcome to Outlaw Woodworking.
There he goes, it's a working man. He's trying to make a living any way he can. And he'll break his back for $1 or $2. Oh, there ain't no shame in what he do. Oh, work it out.
Today we're going to review the Milwaukee Quiet Shell heated jacket. And if you're like me, you want to keep working up in the winter, you need a few things to help you out. And I've seen good reviews on this. It's got radiant heat in the back and the front. And today we're going to try it out. I'll let you know what I think. And I ended up getting the camouflage one that you can see here. And basically how it works, it uses a regular M12 battery, and you plug it in right here. Right in the back right there. And you stick it right in your pocket. Now this says it'll run all day on an M12 battery, 3 times faster. Okay, so you do have controls right on the battery. And you just turn it on. It's got 4 lights right there. Plug it in on the bottom. And let's see what's happening here. Okay, I did find the power button. So the power button is inside the jacket right there. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. Turn it on full blast, both back and the front. See that right there? Now it is cold out here. It's probably 18 degrees today. I should have got the gloves too, but I was worried when I'm working, you got to grab nails and stuff, and I don't know. I might still get them though, because right now my hands are freezing. So right now I got it on. It's supposed to be able to run all day on an M12 battery. All right, let's take a look at the job site. Yeah, we're gonna end up clearing off this whole thing today. Yeah, I should have opted for the Milwaukee gloves also, because my hands are cold today. I can't tell if it's working or not. Shows they're on. Might take a little time to warm up. Well, while we're waiting for it to warm up, let's get on the snow plow and start plowing some of these roads. Okay, I lost the volume on this next clip, but the Milwaukee jacket worked really well. It heated up actually within about 5 minutes, and it got so warm I actually ended up having to turn it off because I just got too hot in it. But I'd have to give it a thumbs up. The battery lasted a long time and it worked really well. Anyway, working in the snow sucks, so I'm probably not going to work in the snow very long because it's just too damn cold. But anyway, you guys have a great day, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you next time. Later.
There he goes, it's a working man. He's trying to make a living any way he can. And he'll break shame in what he do.